How to reset a Changhong TV with or without a remote. Method 1. With remote, service menu, reset, step 1. Turn on the TV, step 2. Set volume to 0, turn all the way down. Step 3. Press and hold mute on the remote and menu on the TV or remote together for a few seconds. Step 4. Watch for an S on screen. This means the service menu is open. Step 5. Use volume or arrow buttons to find a factory reset or restore defaults option. Step 6. Select it, then power off the TV to exit. Method 2. Without remote. Soft reset. Step 1. Turn off the TV using the power button or remote. Step 2. Unplug the power cord. Step 3. Hold the TV's power button on the TV itself for about 10 seconds to drain power. Step 4. Plug the TV back in and turn on. Step 5. It's now reset. Great for minor glitches.